booger? Hi beautiful, and thank you for clicking on this tutorial. We're hopping straight into it. I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C12. Before I get any more into it, I want to give credit to where my inspiration for this look came from. Their pictures and Twitter usernames are on the screen. Please give them a follow and support them as well. Right now, you're going to see that this video is a mess, to say the least. I do this by myself. I have no monitor, just my camera, so it's hard for me to see exactly where I'm at. And I recorded 2 other videos, so I've decided that this one's just gonna have to be the one I post this week. This has been a very stressful recording week for me. But all I'm doing right now is packing on a blue eyeshadow. I'm using the one from the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil palette, but you can use any color eyeshadow or any blue eyeshadow you like. After I pack that on, I just blend out the edges. And I know it's a little hard to see, but all I'm doing is packing it on and blending on the edges. It's really easy. I'm not adding on any extra shadow. I'm just using that one eyeshadow and blending out the edges with clean blending brushes. That was a Morphe brush. I'll have the exact number of it in the description box, as well as this NYX brush I'm using now. But both of those are empty, and I promise I'm using one shadow. And then now you can get a better look of what I've done. I hope that wasn't too annoying to not see exactly what was going on, but you saw bits and parts, so hopefully it was enough. Because, girl, I was stressed. You'll see how stressed I was in a second. But yeah, I stopped putting my stress on you. And just look at this nice blend I've got going on. Now I'm just putting on some lashes. These are from the beauty supply store. I'll have the exact name of them and the style in the description box. And now I'm just lining my eyes with a white liner from NYX. And then now I'm using my Japanese sponge, and wait, I'm lying. That is not from Japanese, girl. That is from Sonia Kashuk. My girl Leah's face got me hip to it, so shout out to her. And I'm using my Maybelline Superstay. And I have my shade information and all that in the description box as well. Don't forget, in between your eyebrows, girl, that's my biggest pet peeve. Why is space between your eyebrows a blank? I got no foundation, no concealer in between. It just look like your skin. It's a whole mess. But anyway, I'm talking shit. Can you see how much I'm over it? Like this video, like this whole situation, like I'm over it. So I'm just doing it. Next week's video will be better. But anyway, Makeup Revolution concealer, C12. And I don't really like a bright under eye. I just like to cover up my imperfections. And yeah, so maybe one day I'll get into that, but right now, no. And I'm keeping this voiceover too. I done did this voiceover how many dang times? This is it. This is the one. And y'all gonna see me for who I am. Period. Dang, this video seems really hostile now. Okay, we're gonna be calm for the rest of the video. Okay. So now I'm placing the blue eyeshadow I used at the top while my concealer under my eye is still wet, so it picks up more pigment. My face be too smacked when I'm doing this. Like, girl. And then I started feeling myself low-key, and I got kind of non-stressed out. After my looks started coming together, and I started feeling it, I said, oh, that's you. That's me. That's you. Hello. Wow, that's you. Anyway, now we're setting my face with some Airspun powder. I need to get my Sephora Micro Smooth back because that is my favorite setting powder.
I got SemiOnEm beat.
And now we're bronzing up. I love bronzer. Bronzer saves my face. It gets me real snatched. And this is the NYX Matte Bronzer. The shade Medium, I believe. Okay, so this is where the stress sits in. This is difficult. Well, for me at least. I've never done this before. I can put on lashes like a pro, but these bottom lashes, girl, I don't know why I thought it was gonna be easier, like simple, but it wasn't. I've trimmed this down. I've condensed it to about 2 minutes, but honey, it took me like 20. It's so annoying. How do y'all do this? Am I even in focus? I think. I hope. Shit. And if I'm not, I better come up, shoot. Okay, Gucci Mane. Yeah. Bro. Bro, I'm stressed. This shouldn't be this hard to do. I'm gonna add the bottom lashes. So easy. It's hard. It's hard. But after I got my life together and I did it, I succeeded. I overcame these obstacles in my way. Thank you, Jesus. Yes, I did. And then I put on my highlighter. Girl, you see that bling? That's mine. You can purchase it in January. It's coming in a few weeks. I'm telling you, my website will be up and everything. I'm launching on the 30th, so please get your coins together so you can come support your girl. Because I'm I'm investing a lot into this brand, and I hope it takes off. It will take off the way I want it to. But yeah, so I'm using my highlighter once again. And that sums it up, pretty much. I hope you liked. I just added a gloss, and that was it. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you didn't get stressed out by contact. And now the video is done, but I just want to apologize for me, like, yelling at y'all. Anyway, thank you for watching. Screen's black. Okay, bye.